Hey folks, today is March the 23rd. It's currently 8:53 in the morning. I'm going to try and squeeze out a TR profit system video for you guys before I have to do some other stuff around 9:30. I noticed this trade on the AUD USD. We got all reds, all twos below the zero. Nice red bar here, skinny green bar. White line is below the purple line, and we're in a situation where the blue line is about to cross back under the yellow line. And of course we have the red arrow here. And I think this could potentially push down further. I like to see it close a little bit further down, ideally, but we'll wait and see what happens. Let's take a look at some of the other pairs here. All right, 30 seconds until this bar closes. What I don't want to do is enter a trade right here. It's possible this is going to be a level of support. So I want to see this close beneath that level. And that'll be a good opportunity to take a short there. Let's see what we get. I really want to see it break this level before I jump in. As you guys can see, the blue is now under the yellow. So now we're just waiting to see if it's going to be able to get past this level or not. Tell you what, let me go ahead and pause it and I'll come back if it does. All right, folks, we have pushed down a little bit beyond that level, so I'm going to go ahead and take a chance on it. I think it's potentially possible that it might go ahead and push down from here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it and I'll come back to you guys. Actually, let me go ahead and place these lines here. All right, now I'll be back. All right, guys, just another quick update here. We finally started pushing down into profit. And the market is slowly moving down. We were able to bust through that level right there, so hopefully things will continue to push down. We're only 3 minutes into the video, so hopefully I'll be able to keep this one under 10 minutes. Very close to our take profit level at this point. It is now 9 o'clock. So I have about 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure we're going to hit our profit target before the 9:30 mark. So I'm glad I decided to go ahead and try and squeeze a video in here. I'm going to hopefully be able to get at least 2 or 3 more for you guys this week. It's just been so busy with other stuff. As you guys can see here, we still have all twos, all red, still below zero. Nice big red bars. everything is telling us that the market should continue to push down. And as usual, it's going to have to go through it by a few pips in order for it to actually take it out. So let's see if we can get that little push we need. Came right down to it, but we didn't get a push through. Market's definitely having some trouble here getting through this level. And as I've said in previous videos, I'm using the 1-to-1 risk to reward. They do give you, I believe, 3 different trade management techniques that you can use. This is just the one that I'm most comfortable with. I am only trading 0.05 lots. From what I've seen, it does give some pretty good signals, as you guys have seen over the past 10 videos. And hopefully this will be number 11. Or I should say, hopefully this will be win number 10. 11 trades total, 1 loser, 10 winners. All we have to do is push down about 2 or 3 more pips. I'll be honest with you, I'm starting to get a little worrisome about this, considering moving this up a couple pips so we can go ahead and get out of this trade, but I want to leave everything on exactly the way it is. I don't want to alter anything, so I'll just leave it where it is, and hopefully it won't bounce up a bunch of pips and take us out. That would be a bit bothersome, a bit annoying at this point, knowing we're right there. All right, we're now at 8 minutes. I thought we would be out by now, but obviously that's not the case. So we got 2 minutes. I want to keep this under 10 minutes for you guys. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pause it here and come back if we get through this level. All right, folks, we finally had to push through that level. As you can see here, we're still waiting on the market to take us out. But we are through it. We just need a little bit of a push down. Hopefully this next bar won't be a retracement, and it'll go ahead and push down a little bit more. How about that? There it is. This little push down just took us out. All right, so this is trade number 11. At this point, we are now 10 wins to 1 loss, which is obviously a phenomenal record so far. Let's see what else is going on here. This just crossed below the 0. This would have been a good trade here as well. Potential level of resistance right above us here. And obviously we just took this trade, which happened to be a winner. It's too bad we didn't get an arrow here. This would have been a really nice short trade. All right, let me go ahead and pause it. I want to check the website and see what some of the other people that are using the software are doing. All right, now logged in here. Let's go ahead and take a look. Toshko, I'm getting better at this. I did 6 trades yesterday, only 1 losing trade. That was because my stop loss was too close. I hope the market gets better to make it easier to trade. Here's a fun chart. When things go well, the future is bright. My confidence in your system is building up. Nice, okay. So here's a trade I took earlier. I guess your advice would be that it is untradeable conditions and that you wouldn't take the trade. I feel like I've tried every condition and I can't seem to find a winning trade. I would have thought by now I would just get lucky. The only trades that I've had success with is not really the trading system, but just simple breakout strategies. Let's see what he says here. Well, I would take this one. Well, I would take this one cause it was after a bounce off of a major level. And there were nice swing lows, swing highs, and again, swing lows. The problem with you guys is that you want to start making everything too fast, and this is not how it happens. Also, all the new traders want to make more and more trades, and I'm pretty sure they can't give me a reason for that. In the real world and business, there's no such thing like making equal profits each day. There are some days when you can make lots, and still others where you could lose. I don't know about the other traders, but if I do not place my swing high lows in from the 1 hour chart for the 5-minute trades, then I have no guidance or confirmation. This has helped me a lot. Tried to take a quick trade on M1 after a bounce of level, but took a bit of time for this one. It went my way, but trailing stop took me out early. Not the best trade in the end, really. Hello, Toshko. This trade was going in my direction up about 12 pips. I let it run and turned into a loss. How would you have handled this loser? Let's see here. First, let me tell you the market is awful and I wouldn't take it. However, in your case, if I was into this one, I would close it 2 candles earlier when white TR edge line. I have a problem reading Toshko's stuff. It seems like he's missing some words here. All right. Close it 2 candles earlier when the white TR edge line crossed above the magenta. And this way, I would cut loss in half. And this way, I could have cut losses in half. I don't know. You guys see what he's trying to say, though. Okay, this will be my last post. I don't want to drag this forum. I don't want to drag down this forum and good people that are making this work. I'm sure this is an amazing system. I just can't seem to get it to work. My last trade, and again, loser. Was so looking forward to posting a winner to break this 8-trade losing streak. Not a dead market, no high spikes or candles, conservative entry. But once again, take profit was not hit and stop loss was. Thanks, Toshko, for your time and trying to help me. I do appreciate it. Sorry, here's my chart. All right, let's see what he actually did here. All right, I'm assuming this is it right here. Let's see here. Went in to take a buy. Looks like this is below the 0 line. Looks like we have a red bar here. I'm not sure why he took this trade, to be honest with you. I can't see it. Let's see what he says, what Toshko says. All right, it's okay, Steve. For this one, the only wrong thing is a volatility or chart range. It was too low at the moment of your entry, like around 47 pips. Let's see what volatility was. Okay, so around 50 pips here. Toshko, does it also matter that there were no red bars in TRB under the last red arrow, and there are 9 candles since last red arrow? Steve, don't give up. We'll get there. I'm pretty sure at least 80 pip average volatility on the M15 chart is negligible to trade. Right now the charts are pretty boring and difficult. It'll get better. I'm also newbie trying to make it work. Let's keep going. Is this Steve again? Let me see. Is this the same person? All right, yeah. So basically, Steve has been posting quite a few of his trades. Let me see here. Hi, Toshko. I took a conservative buy. That should be an A. I took a conservative buy yesterday morning, Brisbane time, with a target equal to stop loss. Since then, a red arrow has appeared. Does that mean get out? For me, it looks non-tradable because of those spiky candles with huge wicks. Definitely are lots of spikes there. All right, so you guys get the idea. This individual, Steve, looks like he's having a couple issues with the system as far as getting it to work. Personally, I saw a lot of the trades he took. I personally wouldn't have traded because everything wasn't lined up. But I am only focusing on the conservative trade setup, so that's just me. You guys can focus on the aggressive if you choose to. That's not something I chose to do. Anyway, if you have any questions on the TR Profit System, definitely don't hesitate to shoot me an email. If you want to get more information, go ahead and click the link below. Take care, folks.